Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn how to catch multiple reverse shells using the Villain tool. We'll also cover how to obfuscate your payloads for stealthier attacks, and how to use Ngrok to get a reverse shell over the internet. Let's quickly recap what a reverse shell is, why obfuscation is key, and how Ngrok helps us get a reverse shell over the internet. A reverse shell allows you to gain remote access by making the target machine connect back to your system. Obfuscation helps disguise our payloads, and Ngrok enables us to bypass NAT firewall restrictions for internet access. What is Villain tool? Villain tool is an advanced multi-client reverse shell handler that makes managing multiple shells a breeze. Let's start by installing it. To install Villain, open your terminal and enter the following commands: sudo apt install villain and press enter. Now enter your password and press enter again. After installed Villain, you're ready to manage multiple reverse shells. But it might be flagged by Windows Defender.
I'm not going to say this in front of your staff. Go ahead. You're a joke.
Now we'll install an obfuscation tool to help disguise our payloads. This is essential for avoiding detection by Windows Defender. Go to this GitHub page and copy this link. Then, go back to your terminal and type git space clone space and paste the link. After that, press enter. Now we can use this tool to hide our payloads. Now to get a reverse shell over the internet, we'll set up Ngrok. Ngrok allows us to create a secure tunnel to our local machine, making it accessible from anywhere online. If you need a detailed guide on how to install Ngrok, check out this video. After installing Ngrok, you can start tunneling your listener's port. Here's how to configure it. Open your terminal, type ngrok tcp4443 and press enter. Now our Ngrok server is online and ready. So, let's minimize this terminal and move on to the next step. Now this is the final step. In this step, we'll create a reverse shell using the Villain tool and Ngrok, and then hide it using an obfuscation tool. So let's get started. Open your terminal, type sudo villain, and press enter. Then enter your password and press enter again. After that, type help generate and press enter. Copy this text and paste it here. Then press enter. After that, it will create a shell. Now copy your shell, open the main folder, go to the obfuscation tools folder, create a new document and name it test.txt. Open the document and paste the shell into it. Now go back to your Ngrok server. Follow these steps carefully. After that, save the file and close it. Minimize your server and go back to the obfuscation tools folder. Then right-click and select Open Terminal here. After that, type pwsh and press enter. Then, type this command and press enter again. Now type this command carefully. After that, give a name to the file and press enter. Now, go to your obfuscation tools folder and open the document you created. Copy the reverse shell and let's exploit Windows 11. Open your victim's PowerShell. You can use it as a PowerShell script or in any other way you prefer, but I'm just going to paste the reverse shell and run it. It takes a few seconds, and boom, here we have successfully gained connection. As you can see, this is the IP of our victim's computer. Now that we have full control of our victim's machine, let's run some commands. Type sessions and hit enter. Now you can see a list of your victim's computers. You can interact with them using the session ID. Copy the session ID, type shell, paste the session ID, and press enter. Now, you can give commands and control your victim's computer. I'm going to shut down the victim's computer as an example. As you can see, I got a warning about shutting down the system. Let's abort the shutdown and open the calculator. Okay, this works fine. Let's see what else we can do. So you can see, even though we exit from the shell, we still have the reverse shell. There are so many options in this tool. I suggest you watch this video. This guy explains it very well. Okay, let's connect another victim. I don't have two devices, so I'm using a new desktop to show you that this is working. This is the same as earlier. I'm going to use the reverse shell that I generated. Run the reverse shell and close the PowerShell. As you can see, we have successfully connected to our second victim's machine. This tool has amazing features, such as sharing the victim's machine. I hope you'll check out the videos I recommend. If you're interested in this tool, I highly recommend watching the video that explains it in detail. I hope you like this one. See you in another video.